Hello again. In today's video we're going to be looking at this beautiful gold chain or supposed gold chain. Because it's a gold chain, it's very hard to kind of have it rubbed properly on the stone because you could break it, you could be pushing too hard and so on, so it could snap in certain places or you could bend it. So what I usually do, I make a little bundle like that, you can see it right there, and basically you gotta hold the stone, you gotta push this chain pretty hard into the stone. So let's see, we're gonna try to make several marks here. So that's one mark right there, let's do another mark right here, and let's do one more right there. I'll just redo them a little bit just to make them a little bit more visible. There we go. Let's go ahead, take our acids. Because I don't know what kind of a gold it is, right? I mean, just because it's stamped with 10 or 14 or 18 doesn't really mean that's what it is. I usually start with the smallest acid and go up from there. So this is a 10 carat acid right there. So let's go ahead and apply it to line number 1 and see what's going to happen. Here we go. And what are we seeing? I don't see too many changes there. I think nothing is happening at all. Okay, let's go ahead and take our 14 karat right here. Let's go ahead and apply that. So this we're going to apply to line number 2. Okay, and it looks like we're getting some results here. It's eating it away. Looks like 14 karat definitely eating it away. And now we're gonna do 18 karat just because we have the third line. Real quick. Yeah, and 18 karat definitely eating it away in less than 1 second. So we know it's not that. To be conclusive, let's say that this is a 10 karat chain. So again, this beautiful chain right here, there we go. So this beautiful chain, it's a 10 karat gold, 14 ate it away, 18 ate it away, so 10 stayed. Again, it's not necessarily 10 specifically, it could be 10, maybe a little bit more or a little bit less. The most that stayed is 10, so we're going to make an assumption that this is a 10 karat gold. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, like and subscribe. See you next time.